Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video we want to solve the square root of what is inside. So if this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and then comment as well. Now we start by simplifying each of the terms. So let's start with 6 factorial. So 6 factorial can also be expressed as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to give us 720. And then 5 factorial can also be expressed as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is also going to give us 120. And then 4 factorial can also be expressed as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is also going to give us 24. So let's pick the first one. So we have 6 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 4 factorial, which we are going to have 720 plus 120 plus 24, which is going to give us 864. And then let's move on to the denominator, which we have 6 factorial minus 5 factorial minus 4 factorial is equal to, so 6 factorial we had 720 minus 5 factorial we had 120 minus 4 factorial we had 24, which we are going to have 576. Now we are left with this one. So this will be equal to 11 squared gives 121 minus 4 factorial we had 24. So we had 24 plus, and then the square root of 9 is 3. So this will be equal to 100. Now from here we are going to have the square root of 6 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 4 factorial. We had 864 over, and 6 factorial minus 5 factorial minus 4 factorial. We had 576. So 576 over, and then 6 factorial minus 5 factorial, we had 576 all over, and then this one we also had 864 times this one we had 100. So before we continue, let me clean this portion. Now this is just like you having A over B. This is just like you having A over B. A over B. So in this case, here becomes A, and then the whole of this one becomes B. Now let's pick the B alone. So we are going to have 576 all over 576 all over 864. So from here we can reciprocate the denominator to multiply the numerator. So when we do that, we are going to have 576 times 864 all over 576, which the 576 over here will cancel the 576. So we'll be left with 864. That means the whole of B is equal to 864. So we are going to have the square root of 864, which is the numerator, that is A, 64 all over the B. The B, we now had 864 for that. So we are going to have 864 times 100, which we are going to have 864 will take care of 864. So we'll be left with 1, and 1 times 100 is the same as 100. So we're going to have the square root of 100, which is going to give us 10. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and then comment as well.